However po, the DOJ instructed that put that into writing. We will give you 3 days or until Friday to submit a written motion amending the complaint. You asked me yesterday kung na-clear na ba si Alvin Ke. And what I said is, in all indication, ang sinabi ko doon is walang mga ebidensyang maglilink, but yung sinasabi naming motion, yung actual na motion for withdrawal, motion to amend the complaint, hindi ko po pwedeng i-preempt po at ipakita po sa inyo yung kopya until such time po na maisumite po ito officially. Nagkataon po na holiday po ngayon, kaya hindi po na-submit po yon. Kagabi po, naglabas po ng pahayag yung abogado po ng side po ni Alvin Ke, and they mention na we already communicated to them na walang ebidensyang iba maliban doon sa bare assertion. At sinabi ko na rin yon kahapon na maliban sa mga claim ni Alvin Tanliao, hindi naman niya maback-upan yun. Yung sinasabi niya, restaurant na pinuntahan nila, may mga tawag sila between him and Alvin, kaya wala siyang maipatunayan doon. So that is one of the reasons, many reasons kung bakit sinabi namin hindi tatayo yung kaso laban kay Alvin Ke.